Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to discuss ESS, that is the long form of ESS is Executive Support System. Executive Support System. An executive support system is software that allows users to transfer enterprise data into quickly accessible and executive level reports such as those used by billing, accounting, and staffing departments. See, an executive support system is software that allows user to transfer enterprise data into quickly accessible and executive level reports such as those used by billing, accounting, and staffing departments. And ESS enhanced decision making for executive. And ESS enhanced decision making for executive. Then ESS is also known as Executive Information System. ESS is also known as Executive Information System. Then next, component of Executive Support System. Component of Executive Support System. See, first hardware, second one is software, third one is user interface, then fourth one is a telecommunication. See, one by one. First one is a hardware. When talking about computer hardware for an ESS environment, we should focus on the hardware that meets the executive's need. The executive must be put first, and the executive's needs must be defined before the hardware can be selected. Then, second, software. Choosing the appropriate software is vital to an effective ESS. Choosing the appropriate software is vital to an effective ESS. Therefore, the software components and how they integrate the data into one system are important. Then next, user interface. An ESS must be efficient to retrieve relevant data for decision maker. So the user interface is very important. Several types of interfaces can be available to the ESS structure, such as scheduled reports. Then next, telecommunication and decentralized is become a trend in companies. Telecommunication plays a pivotal role in networked information system. Transmitting data from one place to another has become critical for establishing a reliable network. The next, application of ESS. See, ESS helps executives find data according to the user defined criteria and promote information based insight and understand. See, see, application of ESS. First, manufacturing. Second, marketing. Third one is a financial. First, manufacturing is the transformation of raw materials into finished goods for sales or intermediate process involving the production of finishing of semi-manufacture. See, manufacturing is the transformation of raw materials into finished goods for sales or intermediate process involving the production or finishing of semi-manufacture. Then marketing. In an organization, marketing executives' duty is managing available marketing resources to create a more effective future. In an organization, marketing executive duty is managing available marketing resources to create a more effective future. For this, they need make judgment about risk and uncertainty of a project and its impact on the company in short term and long term to assist marketing executives in making effective marketing decision ESS can be applied. The next, financial analysis is one of the most important steps to companies today. Executives needs to use financial ratios and cash flow analysis to estimate the trends and make capital investment decision. And ESS integrates planning or budgeting with control of performance reporting, and it can be extremely helpful to finance execute. The next, characteristic of the ESS, flexibility and see flexibility and simple use. Characteristic of ESS, flexibility and simple use. Then second, produce the proper information. Third one is a produces the relevant information. Then fourth one is a provides the support for the strategic management. Strategic management. Then next, provides the provides the timely provides the timely information with the short reaction time and additional with the short retrieval. Then next, contains the user friendly interfaces consisting of the graphic user. Then another is characteristic is a supports the overall vision, mission, and also the strategy.